welcome back. Today we are going to be doing our makeup, and make sure to subscribe, like, and
comment below. What look are you doing today, Jordyn?
I think I'm going to do this rainbow look.
Alright, well I am going to do some red look. I don't really know exactly what. I'm going to go in with this Laura Mercier foundation primer. And put that on my face. What palette are you going into?
I think I'm gonna go into this Morphe X James Charles palette. This palette came from Ulta.
I'm gonna start off with my eyes.
Here's my yellow.
So I'm gonna take this NYX Full Coverage Concealer in the color Fresh Beige to prime my eyelid. I'm gonna take this Makeup Designery 350 brush to do so.
Just doing this lips only.
Don't you have lipstick?
We always do lips like this sometimes.
Ooh.
Just me and you, come on.
No, we don't. No, we don't.
There's the camera on. So this is what I look like. So I use this Morphe X James Charles palette with the color red and all the colors of the rainbow, and I just put some, like, you know, all the colors of the rainbow on here.
What are you gonna do now since you're done and all I have is my eyelids?
I'm gonna do another look.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, you're just gonna be doing so many?
Yeah. Until you're done.
Okay. Alright, so I got these new Morphe brushes. So I'm gonna go in with this Morphe M454 brush.
Ooh, it's white and black or white and... Oh, yeah.
And I'm going into this Nikita palette. And I'm going to take the color Artificial.
So now I think I'm gonna do some pink and maybe some green for my next look. So pink and green might be in this palette. This Morphe palette. Who made this one? Oh, no.
That's just Morphe.
This is the Morphe palette. So I'm gonna be using one of these pink and one of these green. I think I'm gonna do some glitter, pink and green. So I'm gonna see how this turns out.
Now I'm gonna go into the color Pussycat.
There's a color named Pussycat.
I'm just gonna create like a gradient. I've never done a look like this before.
You never done a look like that?
No.
I'm just gonna be done with some glitter. I think I'm gonna put some more eyeshadow first. Some more pink eyeshadow.
Now I'm going into the color Nicole, and I've just been using this same brush.
You've been using the same brush?
Ooh, where are you going?
I'm not going anywhere. I keep sliding off these chairs.
Oh.
Now anyways, this is what I got. So I use this green and pink, and it tops some glitter on here with this little brush. And it came from this palette.
Now I'm going to take this Makeup Designery 330 brush. And I am going to go into this Pretty Rich palette into the color It's Designer.
Mommy, look at my face. So I'm going to be doing this look, but I'm going to surprise you guys. I'll tell you colors. I can't handle this. Ow.
Oh my gosh.
I can't handle it. And I'm going to be using color purple, blue, and pink. All of my favorite colors. So let's get started. So first I'm going to be using the color blue. I think I might do the dark blue this time. I always use light, so I'm going to be doing dark. Blue.
Gotta go back into this front with this artificial.
Please show blue, please. Blue look like purple. What does this blue look like?
Purple. What blue?
This one.
I don't know. Maybe because there's dark stuff all over it. And is your brush clean?
What?
There's many factors that can contribute to your color not coming out. Now, I'm gonna go in with this Diamonds for Breakfast. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my lid.
Okay, so how does my purple look?
I mean, it should be filled in a little bit more. Unless that's what you're going for. Are you going for like seeing some skin?
No.
Oh. Why don't you use face paint?
I told you the whole story of my face paint.
No, what happened?
Okay, so like these were little circle face paints. I got it, they were fine, but then when I put them away every day in my vanity, they started falling apart.
What?
Yeah, and then all those circles flew off somewhere in my room, and I was all like, ugh.
What?
So every circle fell off.
Where are they?
I don't even know.
What do you mean?
And then I had to throw the whole black thing away where all the circles were. I was all like, this looks nice, right? No, let me see. What?
Let me do my eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. H2O Proof Eyeliner Pen.
You found it?
No, this is in the color Jet Black. This isn't the one.
This isn't the one.
Why are you see how you just be messing up palettes? You see all that palette and look at you. You look at how you just messing up your clothes. What color is this? Nasty.
Huh?
Yeah, nasty.
Let me see. Does it really say nasty?
Yeah, it's black. Nasty. Don't say nasty. Alright, I'm going in with this nasty color. Yes, and I'm going to blacken up this liner a little bit. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to take this L'Oreal True Match Foundation in the color W7.
What is wrong with you?
I don't know.
Okay, this is what I look like. I kind of look like a big ice cream with no cone. Big ice cream with no cone. But these are all my favorite colors: blue, pink, and purple. I just really like how it looks, and I think I'm gonna do another look.
You're just gonna keep on going?
Keep on going till you're done. Once I'm done, I'll see you back.
What are you doing? Are you trying to get out of the frame?
Yes. So yeah, I got it over here.
Alright, now I'm going to take this e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer in the color TanNeutral. I'm also going to mix it with this one. This is the hydrating camo concealer in the color MediumBeige. Now I'm going to take this Morphe Bacon Set setting powder in the color Banana.
Now, since I kind of look like a big ice cream cone with no cone, I'm going to make an ice cream cone on my face. Should be chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry.
What? Wait, what? I would do strawberry.
Strawberry it is. See you back? I'm gonna go diving into the same palette.
Dive on me.
Don't be like dive on in. You dive on in.
Dive on me.
Okay, so what do you?
Dive on me.
What do you?
Now I'm going into this Anastasia Beverly Hills loose setting powder in the color Deep Peach.
Stop trying to hurry up.
What are you talking about? I'm just trying to pat this in.
Well, to add some more design, because it just looks like, I don't know, not an ice cream cone. I don't know how to make an ice cream cone. I'll just try again on this cheek. There we go.
Aren't cones brown?
No, they're not brown. They're mostly like a shade like your skin. kind of like that peach color.
So now I am taking this NYX highlight and contour palette in the color Tan.
Well, this is my ice cream color. I don't know if I did a good job, but so yeah, let me do my well.
What is this? Like your 6th look? This is like your 6th look.
No, it wasn't. The other one was 4. So this, this one is 5.
That's 5. Yeah, so you're about to start a 6th look.
Yeah, and if I do like, I don't know, 4 more, and then you're not done, I don't know. So what are you gonna do tomorrow?
Edit some videos. Probably record another one. Paint some cabinets.
Oh right, it's the weekend, so you don't have to work.
Right. So this is the brush JS4, and I am going to use that with this Too Faced Love Light Blinded by the Light. There we go. Shine through, highlight, shine through.
Really?
Oh yes.
So here's my look.
What is that?
So you know your favorite color is black and pink.
Mm-hmm.
So I was trying to do a half black, half pink, but it got out of control and I used too much pink. So I was like, okay, black for the mouth and I don't know, pink for the nose, eyes, and head.
Wow. That's interesting. I'm using the Maybelline New York Mega Plush Volume Express Mascara to coat my bottom lashes. The battery's about to die. So I recently got these Soleil Mink lashes. They are 100% mink 3D lashes. I do not know what the name of these are. Oh, what does this say? This just says A06 on there, but I don't know. She called it something like, I don't think it was Beast, but it was some, yeah. But I wish that they did have the name on there. Hold on, let me see, how do you open this? Oh, you just slide it. Okay, let's see, let's try it. So you just push it on through. Cute packaging. They're already formed really nicely. They're full and fluffy. Let me get your face out. Oh, there we go. I had to get your face out. Okay, so there they go. So they're full and fluffy. Get your face out.
Stop it. Stop saying that.
And to put these on, I am going to be using the I Envy by Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe in the color black. So Jordyn is gone. She had to go eat. So it's me. So I have these lashes on. So I put these lashes on. I can't stop blinking because they feel like weird. A little bit. It's just, they're like all over the place, like in this middle. So then every time I blink, then I feel it on my nose. So it's getting better. Like the feeling is getting better. Like I'm getting more used to it, but I don't really wear lashes like this. So I'm just like, oh, what is this? But this is a dramatic lash. Okay, I like the way that they look, but I don't know, I gotta get used to wearing them. Just gonna go with my normal go-to for my lips, which is this NYX Powder Puff Lippy in the color Cool Intentions, and this NYX Orange Soda. So I like to just apply this color over my whole lip and then use the lighter color on the inner part. I've been using this white charcoal mattifying makeup spray and I really like it. I'm gonna just spray this on my face. And then I take my fan and just fan it dry. This is the final look.